Behold,
And you're watching the Virtual Boxing Federation. And there's Lord Supreme revitalized with a brand new suit for night riding. And he's ready to face the bot. He's gonna show you all the falls, and then he's gonna show you a clip in real time of him handling the bot. And that's what Supreme wanted to show you. The struggle. And then the personal victory to the eventual triumph over the outclassed bot in the game Thrill of the Fight 2. Supreme. I ask myself, why does he put himself through this? But this is what he does. He sharpens iron with iron. Oh, Supreme with a little... trying everything here to get through to the bot. Oh, he goes down. And this is the result of a real tired Supreme, but this is how he gets better. But he just never gives up. Oh, Supreme takes it. And I'm telling you, this must be like round 14 here, and he's laid out. Look at this guy. Lord Supreme getting more energy. All right. And this is where Supreme now takes the losing and the pain and uses it and starts to pick apart the bot, even the bot himself. Please sit and enjoy and watch a Virtual Boxing Masterclass at its best. And you're watching Virtual Boxing Federation. I'm your host, Tony Fitzgerald, and we're taking you through the journey of our hero, our champion, Lord Supreme. And this is what he does. Presses the limits. This must be like round 15 or 16 for him. His goal, of course, is to still keep true. And Supreme in top form here, just totally tired, but willing to go all the way with the bot until failure. And this is how we train here in Virtual Boxing Federation. Sorry for the short attention spans, but you're watching the best in virtual boxing. Studied all the greats Supreme he has, and he's put together a nice form here. Even a bot that can't be beat. Supreme looking to have a nice perfect round. Look at the combination Supreme has to throw. Almost getting tired almost here, but Supreme still putting together defensive prowess. And just a joy to watch if you like boxing at all. Supreme just parrying the bot here. Oh, shot. Just great boxing. And a couple more seconds left. This round's done. Supreme has a perfect round in his pocket here. I think we got like 10 seconds left, maybe. Maybe less, maybe more. Supreme just really in a comfortable setting here. And this is what happens when you get crushed. You come back and you get beat by the unrelenting bot. And that's it. It's over. Come on, Supreme. It's over. Oh, he gets saved by the bell as the round goes over. So, Supreme survived the round, and there he goes again. He's ready to go. He survived the round. Got knocked out virtually and survived the round and still survived. But is that it? How much can he go? Supreme still reaching. It's over. It's over. Supreme. Lord Supreme is down by the Unbeatable AI bot. But this is what our champion does, man. And thanks for watching again, but he rises again. And you're watching Virtual Boxing Federation.